Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I want to show you how to use tags effectively in Wattpad stories. So first, let's jump into our story and then add hashtags. Now the tags will be something, for example, with genre, themes, characters, and make sure there are at least 5 tags in your story and you have maximum 10 tags, because if you have less than 5 it's bad, and if you have more than 10 it's bad too. So stick to 5 to 10 rule and then simply focus on updating your tags as trends or story themes evolve, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.